And now we're just going to finish the top, clipper over comb. I'm going to follow that angle that we had. So a lot of people associate clippers with being short. So whether I use a clipper or a scissor, the only reason why I'm using a clipper is for this. I like the finish that it leaves. All right, and then we're going to take the next section forward and we're going to angle it up even farther. And then we're going to just work on the front. So it's pretty amazing with what you can do with just a clipper. And your knowledge of what blades leave what type of finish. Because this type of haircut will definitely show a lot of scissor marks. So you want, or clipper marks for that matter. So you want to make sure that that comb is moving very slow and you're using the correct blade to leave the correct finish on the hair. So if you see, I have that blade tilted up, so it's cutting and blending at the same time.